What's up everyone? I hope your day is going really well. It's still pretty cold out today, but as you can see by this box, this is an FI exhaust for a BMW M2. I don't have an M2, so let's go get one. Ugh. Damn, I'm old.
Alright, the exhaust is loaded up in the best daily ever, the Honda Fit. And there she is. It is a pretty big exhaust and it's pretty heavy, so I hope it fits in the M2. Let's find out. Alright, let's go for a drive. All good church neutral. Let's go! I found an M2 that we're gonna put the FI exhaust on. So I know this thing right now is completely stock, so let's go ahead and turn it on. Now, I don't know much about M cars, but this is pretty cool. All right, so let's go load up the exhaust into the car. I hope it fits because that thing is pretty big. If it doesn't fit, I think I'll have to take it out of the box, which I really don't want to do, but all right, let's go see if this fits. It fits. I'm so happy. Oh my God. So I did have to move this passenger seat just a little bit forward. Let's go for a drive. I'm heading over to the shop where I did my BRZ exhaust. Great guys, I'm hyped. Hopefully, I'm pretty sure they'll let me film there, so yeah. Damn. It's gonna look sick.
Oh yeah.
What's the tip?
That's cool.
These are heavy. All right.
Five hours later.
Looks good. Oh, something about yellow DRLs just looks, oh my god, look at this, look at the sky at the back, and then look at, that's so nice. Oh my god. Actually, like, this angle looks so good. It's been like a week since we got the exhaust on, and it sounds really good. It made the tone louder. It didn't change the tone. Everything is just louder. The pops are a lot more prominent. It sounds really good. And this is just a catback. Imagine if it was catless downpipes. I think it'd be too loud if it was catless. So, I think the next mod for this thing needs to be intakes. Like even Turi intakes, or even like front mounted intakes. This thing would sound so good. I gotta look into that, so stay tuned for that. Well, thank you for coming on my M2 adventure. It's super fun. I can see the appeal for M cars. I can see why every YouTuber has one. Maybe it's my turn to get one. Who knows? But anyways, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for coming on my M2 adventure. I appreciate it. Peace out. I'll see you in the next one.